Okay, we are in December now, and you can see that we have a little piece that still broke. That's about it, so probably gonna end up covering up for too long. But I do want to get probably one more thing of Epsom salt. May have to wait until, I don't know when actually, but we'll see. So December, here we are, almost into Christmas, and I'll check back in with you and we'll see what happens. About middle ways of January, just got some snow and it got covered up, and it looks like we have some broken pieces. So it's not bad. Still is not what I would say is good compared to what I thought it would be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait until February, put some more Epsom salt in there, clear all this out, and then I'm going to cover it. So it's coming apart, but it's still not where I think should be. So I'm going to cover it up, Epsom salt, see what happens. I'll come back and probably around March, end of February, beginning of March, and we'll see what it looks like after I cover it up. Actually, I'll probably record it covering it up so you can see exactly what I'm going to do, because I felt like it should have already been a lot better than what it was, because we had snow here for, I don't know, a couple weeks, and it's just now gone. So anyway, once I get the plastic and some more Epsom salt, I'll show you how it's going to look. Here is an update that I want to give you guys. Now, I've been having a lot of different comments, a lot of emails asking me about my stump. Is it doing good? Is it working? Is what I'm doing working? So on and so forth. It's been a while since I did the video, probably close to 10 or 11 months. And it is February, almost getting ready to be March here in about 5 days. And we just had a bunch of snow again here in Virginia. And I have not been out to the stump as of yet. So I'm gonna go out there with you. And what I'm gonna do today, because I don't think it's where I want it to be. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go out there and I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm gonna put some more Epsom salt down, and then I'm gonna cover it with plastic. And I'm gonna drive, which I don't have them out here, but 10 stakes in the ground for this plastic to stay there so nothing will raise the plastic up out of the ground, and hopefully it'll suffocate the rest of it. From what I see right now, I did this about close to a month ago, I think. Came out here and like end of January, I believe. So almost a month ago. And the stump was a little different, but I'm not so sure it's where I need it to be or where I want it to be. So, like I said, we're gonna go out here, see what it looks like. I've got 8 pounds this time of Epsom salt. Can't remember what I had last time. I think I had 6, but I have 8 pounds this go around. I got plastic, 10 stakes. We're gonna go out and look. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. And then hopefully then I'll let it go until probably, I don't know when. So, but you can definitely check back. So it is February right now. It's February 23rd right now. So we're close to the end of February. So when we put this on here, there will be one more video for this just to see, you know, what happens. This will be the end of this update video after I show you what I'm gonna do, and then we'll come back after the fact. I'm gonna say I'm probably gonna leave it on most of the summer before I actually do the next video. Chances are covering it would probably be what I should have done to begin with, but I just wanted to see, because like I said, the stump is not bothering me. I said this in the very first video. It's not bothering me. It's out of the way. I mow around it and I'm completely fine, but I do want to kill it. So we will come back here again, like I mentioned, and we will check it out and see exactly what happens after the fact. Because like I said, I do want to make sure that I do kill it, and whatever happens, happens. So hopefully the black plastic I put on here will completely smother it and kill it, along with the Epsom salt. And then we'll go that route, and I'll show you real quick, and then we'll close this video. Here we have it. As you can see, the sun is pretty bright, but you can see, and it's, I mean, it's a lot different, obviously. You can see where it's breaking here. I still think, yeah, it looks like a little face right here. Check this out. Look at this. Tell me if you can see the face. You can see it has done a little different. Not what I would consider to be the best. So like I mentioned, I'm going to put the black plastic down here, and see if the covering it up actually would help. All right, so here's the tent stakes I'm gonna be using. And then this is the Epsom salt that I'm gonna be using. Magnesium sulfate. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover it up real quick with the magnesium sulfate or Epsom salt. And then we'll commence to, you know, doing our thing with the plastic. Hopefully, see what I'm able to do. I think I got almost all the holes filled now. Looks like it. They're not going down in there anymore. So, a lot of people said, well, you know, you're going to kill the outside of the grass here. And really, I don't really care. Less grass I got to cut, right? Okay, there we have it. We're down. So now I'm going to cut this plastic and hopefully cover it up enough. All right, so I'm going to go ahead. I think I'm going to do a double just because. I mean, why not, right? I got plenty of plastic here. Or even a triple, maybe. A triple double. So this should be everything that I need to cover it up with. I read somewhere that when it doesn't die like it should, it's because it's getting too much sunshine and moisture and blah, blah, blah. So this, hopefully, will keep that from happening. All right, there we go. We are covered up. I think that's good enough. Hopefully we'll see some difference with this, and I'll check back in with you, of course. That is it. We have it under the plastic. So I hope we see a huge difference from here on out. Like I said, it's February 23rd. I will see you back here. I'm not gonna say a certain date, but I know definitely by the end of summer, I'll have that back up. I'm not even gonna take it off until then. No more salt, no more plastic, no more looking at it until I take it up. So you saw me put it down, and then you'll see me take it off. So you definitely wanna stick around, because I think, in my opinion, from all the videos, all the people I've talked to, that this is probably the way I should have went to begin with. Apparently, like I mentioned when I was out there, the plastic kills the living part of it, even though the salt has been penetrating deep in the roots. This will hopefully take care of it all completely. So hopefully, when I take it off, next thing you'll see me do, take an axe to it or whatever, and just get it flat to the ground. Once it's flat, because it's raised up just a little bit, as you saw, once it's flat, I'm done, and that's it. So anyway, definitely check back here, guys. It will be like sometimes in the summer of 2025, and we'll see what happens. The next route that I do, or next stump route that I do, which is coming up because I have a tree over here that looks pretty bad right now. I will definitely just cut it off as flush as I can, put the plastic over top of it. This time, first thing, drill deep as I can go, like I did last time. Put the salt in it, put the plastic over top of it, and then leave it for the whole year like I did this, or almost a year, and then we'll see what happens after that. So that's it. I'm gonna leave it right here. If you wanna see the very first part of this video, check right here in the corner. That video will be coming up, how I even got to this point, and you'll see the whole entire video unfold. If you like what you see here, guys, like and subscribe, and be ready for part 2 or 3 or 4. God bless. Catch you on the next one.